Hey, hope you're having a great day. In today's video, I'm going to give a huge warning about competency-based education. If you followed my channel at all, you know I'm a big advocate for competency-based education because you can earn entire bachelor's degrees in as little as 6 months and master's degrees in as little as 3 to 6 more months. So you can go really, really quick. But not all programs are created equal. Some colleges offer way better programs than others. So this is a huge warning about competency-based education and how to choose the right programs. If that sounds good, then let's dive in. Hi, I'm Ryan Swayt, and I used to be a 2-time college dropout, making just $12 an hour. Then I learned how to hack college and earned an entire bachelor's degree in 9 months flat. Subscribe to my channel and I'll show you how. All right, so like I said, I'm a huge advocate for competency-based education because in my opinion, the college system is flawed. It shouldn't take every student the same amount of time to graduate. If you have the knowledge in your brain that's being taught in the class, you should be able to move on to the next class. And that's what competency-based education does. It allows you to prove to the school that you have the knowledge in your head so that you can test out of a class and move on to the next class. Now, the cool thing is you don't have to know or have the knowledge in your head to test out of classes. You have to be able to know how to find out what's going to be on those exams, and you can go study on your own using Google and YouTube and online forums and all sorts of resources. Study for exams, take exams, pass exams, get credit for college classes. You can do college classes in as little as a day or a week. You can accelerate your degree literally as fast as you would like, depending on how much time you want to put in and how hard you want to work. You can do it really, really quickly. Now, the important thing to realize is that competency-based education is getting really popular. Tons of universities are starting to offer it, but not all universities are equal when it comes to these programs. Some take much longer to graduate than others. Now, what has happened is there have been schools that have been doing competency-based education for a really, really long time. The pandemic hit a few years ago, and tons and tons of other universities have been coming in trying to do online programs and have been starting to adopt competency-based education. Now, what CBE or competency-based education is essentially you will prove to the school that you have knowledge for a particular class in your brain and you test out of a class, okay? Now, that doesn't mean the process is the same for every school, okay? Now, in an ideal world, what we want to be able to do is take one single exam per class, and if you pass that exam, you get credit for the entire class. There are schools that allow you to do that, okay? There are other schools that have you prove a competency for every credit. So instead of one exam per class, you're doing 120 competencies. So you're taking an exam, or you're doing a quiz, or you're doing a science project, or you're writing an essay, and you do lots of little, I guess, competencies or proving competency, lots of little projects to reach the final goal of getting 120 credits and testing out of all those credits, okay? So some schools, it's like an exam per class. Some schools, it's like an exam or essay or project per credit, okay? Now, other schools have limits. They say, hey, you can test out of classes, but you can take 2 classes every 8 weeks, or you can take 4 classes every 6 weeks, or they have caps or limits on how many classes you can complete in a given time. Now, if you're on the school schedule and they're telling you how fast you can go, it's going to take you the traditional 4 years to graduate because you're on the school's calendar. You're doing things at their pace. There are other schools who allow you to complete as many college credits as you possibly can in the semester, in a specific time frame, okay? Of whether the semester's 4 months or 6 months, you literally finish as many classes as you can in that window. Well, if you have that opportunity to really go at your own pace, You can literally earn a bachelor's degree in as little as 6 months, okay? So these are the types of programs you want to look for. You really want to, whatever colleges you're looking into, you want to ask lots of questions. How many exams or projects are there for every class? How many classes can I complete per semester? How much do you charge per semester or per class? Because some colleges charge you a flat rate for a semester and other colleges charge you for every credit. Well, if you're charged for every credit, you finish 4 years worth of school in 6 months, you still have to pay 4 years worth of tuition. If you're just paying a flat rate for a semester, you're going to save a whole bunch of money. So this video is my warning to you that you need to be careful which competency-based programs offered by universities you enroll in, because they're not all equal. Sometimes there are more hoops to jump through. Sometimes it's going to cost you more money. You need to really ask the right questions. Can you complete as many classes as you want per semester? How many exams per class? What's it going to cost you when all is said and done? How fast can you earn a college degree? What are your average graduation times for your students? These are all questions that you need to ask. This is my warning to you. Make sure you find the right program that allows you to go at your own pace, that's going to be affordable and get you the degree that you want and deserve. You can accelerate a degree literally as fast as you want if you're not restricted by the university. If you'd like to watch a video of me breaking down the 3-step process that I followed to earn my entire bachelor's degree in just 9 months, I'll leave a link down to a tutorial video in the description. I call the process degree hacking. That link's down below in the description. If you're on your phone, just tap on the video title and it opens up the description, and the link will be there. You can go watch that video for free, no strings attached. I hope this video's helped. I hope it saves you from making a mistake and choosing the wrong school, and saves you a whole bunch of time and money. If this video's helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell, and I will talk to you in the next video.